everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create work orders for kids in Logiwa step by step. Step 1. Navigate to the work orders page. Once you're logged in your Logiwa dashboard, go to the top navigation bar and click on Inventory. Then click on Work Orders. Here you will see a list of all the work orders that you've already created. Step 2. Import or manually create a work order. In the top right corner, you will see two options: import, which is great if you're uploading a file, and create a work order. This is for creating work orders manually. Step 3, create a manual work order. Please note that each work order can only include one SKU. Click here, then click on kitting, and here fill in with the required details. Put the work order code, let's use this as an example, work order type, and you can add notes if you need to. Here, you will have to select the creation method. You will have two options: stock, use this if you're creating kits to be stored in inventory, and ship order. Use this if the kit is tied to an existing shipment order. For most cases, select stock, then click next. Here, select the kit, add the quantity that you need, click next. You can put kitting instructions, planning start date, planning finish date, and you can upload documents if need to. Click next, save, and that's it. Now your order is created. Here you can see the work order statuses. Here's the work order that we just created, which is open. These are completed and these are in process. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please type in the comments and